far as prominent malls in both Gurugram and also in Noida also received similar bomb threats via email in a systematic manner. The malls were evacuated. However, there has been reactions that are now coming on part of the police as well, who have been dismissing such a bomb threat mail, saying that this was a usual mock drill that was being conducted at the mall.
देखिए, डीएलएफ में कोई बम की सूचना नहीं थी। ये हमारी रेगुलर मॉक ड्रिल थी सिक्योरिटी पर्पस के लिए, और इसमें हमने पूरी ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से किया। अपनी बीडीडीएस टीम, फायर सर्विस, डॉग स्क्वाड सभी के द्वारा रेगुलर तरीके से इसको चेक किया गया है जो ये मॉक ड्रिल थी।
एक मेल चल रहा है स्क्रीनशॉट, क्या वो ओरिजिनल है या मॉफ है?
मेल के बारे में मुझे कोई जानकारी नहीं है, ये तो हमारी मॉक ड्रिल थी।
Well, Priyank is with us right now. So, Priyank, how do we understand? Were there bomb threats received at the malls or not? Because the DCP there seems to be saying that this was a usual mock drill that was being conducted. How do we understand the situation?
See, there's certainly no clarity which is being given by the DCP. But when you're talking about the senior officials, I'm talking about the DIG of Noida. He, in his press statement, the new clarification by which he has given, there was an Hawks email received by the Noida police while they were already carrying out security drive inside the mall. So our viewers need to understand that the Noida police was carrying out a drive to check and sanitize the mall and to have a proper security measure. During this time period, there was an Hawks email, which was an email which was received by the mall authorities, which was basically regarding a bomb threat. So the DIG has clarified. It's very, difficult to describe it to our viewers that how DCP is not aware about the threat mail and the DIG, who is a senior rank officer, is aware about the threat mail. So the ambiguity is certainly the reason because of which people have panicked. But the basic fact is that there is nothing suspicious that has been found in the mall, whether it being a Hawks mail or not mail or security drive. The good news for the resident of Noida is that nothing suspicious has been found after this security check.
All right, but still there would be concerns because it is not just one mall that apparently had received this bomb threat. There is another mall in Gurugram as well. But here, when it comes to the DCP Noida, for the viewers there, and especially those who frequent at the DLF Mall of India in Noida, must listen in to what the police is saying.
देखिए, डीएलएफ में कोई बम की सूचना नहीं थी। ये हमारी रेगुलर मॉक ड्रिल थी सिक्योरिटी पर्पस के लिए, और इसमें हमने पूरी ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से किया। अपनी बीडीडीएस टीम, फायर सर्विस, डॉग स्क्वाड सभी के द्वारा रेगुलर तरीके से इसको चेक किया गया है जो ये मॉक ड्रिल थी।
एक मेल चल रहा है स्क्रीनशॉट, क्या वो ओरिजिनल है या मॉफ है?
मेल के बारे में मुझे कोई जानकारी नहीं है, ये तो हमारी मॉक ड्रिल थी।
All right, but we are awaiting certain clarity over this because it is not just one mall that received a certain bomb threat. What is being said, people who were evacuated, and there were already teams of police, the fire brigade, and also the bomb disposal that had reached the spot. There's another mall in Gurugram that also received a similar threat via email, and the same was also evacuated. But it is important to note and follow what the police is saying, at least in Noida, as far as what is being suggested on part of the DCP, saying that this was a usual mock drill that was being conducted.
निरंतर चेकिंग फ्रिस्किंग का अभियान चल रहा है, जिसके तहत रात्रि में जो लोग रोड पे खड़े होकर शराब पीते हैं, उस अभियान में 786 लोग पकड़े गए। उसी कंटिन्यूटी में आज सुबह भी विभिन्न जो हमारे प्रतिष्ठान हैं उनमें चेकिंग फ्रिस्किंग की जा रही थी। इसी दौरान कुछ मॉलों में एक हॉक्स मेल प्राप्त हुआ। उस मेल के मद्देनजर तीनों जोनों में चेकिंग फ्रिस्किंग का अभियान चलाया गया, जिसमें जितने भी मॉल्स थे उन सब में भी चेकिंग फ्रिस्किंग की गई। साथ ही साथ हमारे जो वाइटल इंस्टॉलेशंस हैं वहाँ पर चेकिंग फ्रिस्किंग की गई। जो मेल आया है वो हॉक्स प्रतीत हो रहा है, क्योंकि हमने जो मॉल्स थे उनमें चेकिंग फ्रिस्किंग करवाई गई तो कहीं पे कोई भी आपत्तिजनक वस्तु नहीं मिली है। शेष जो सुरक्षा के मानक हैं उसके अनुसार नोएडा पुलिस के द्वारा गंभीरता से चेकिंग फ्रिस्किंग कंटिन्यू जारी रहेगी निरंतर।
That's the DIG there, however, saying that if there were any threats that were received via email, all safety measures and precautions are being undertaken, not just at one facility, but at multiple facilities to maintain law and order.